12 ideas that can make you rich. Becoming wealthy is a dream that many harbor, and while it's important to acknowledge that there are no guarantees, strategic thinking, innovation, and hard work can dramatically increase your chances of achieving financial success. In this video, we will explore 12 innovative ideas that have the potential to pave the way to riches. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 1. Tech startups. The technology sector is a hub of innovation and wealth creation. Developing a groundbreaking app, designing cutting-edge software, or revolutionizing hardware can lead to substantial financial rewards. The key is identifying market gaps, leveraging your technical expertise, and delivering solutions that address real-world problems. 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. The rise of online shopping has opened up countless opportunities for entrepreneurs. Launching an e-commerce business, especially through dropshipping models that eliminate the need to hold inventory, can be a cost-effective entry point. Success in e-commerce hinges on identifying a niche, building a strong brand, and creating an enticing online store to tap into the flourishing e-commerce ecosystem. 3. Real estate investment. Real estate has been a tried-and-true avenue for wealth creation for generations. Investing in rental properties, flipping houses, or venturing into commercial real estate can yield significant returns over time. Effective property investment relies on factors such as location, timing, and thorough market research. 4. Sustainable ventures. The growing emphasis on environmental sustainability has given rise to businesses that prioritize eco-friendly practices and products. Opportunities abound in renewable energy, sustainable manufacturing, and green technologies, offering not only financial gain, but also a chance to contribute to a more sustainable future. 5. Content creation. The digital age has ushered in a new era of celebrity known as content creators. Whether you opt to create vlogs, podcasts, blogs, or captivating social media content, there is substantial income potential in the world of online entertainment. Building a loyal audience and monetizing your content through advertisements, sponsorships, or merchandise sales can be highly lucrative. 6. Health and wellness. With an increasing focus on health and well-being, the health and wellness industry is thriving. Opportunities exist in fitness coaching, wellness retreats, healthy food products, and more. Capitalizing on this trend by offering solutions that promote physical and mental well-being can lead to financial success while positively impacting people's lives. 7. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning (ML) are reshaping various industries, from healthcare to finance. Developing AI-powered tools or applications can be immensely profitable. Specialized skills in these fields are in high demand, making it a promising career path for those willing to invest in education and innovation. 8. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology have disrupted the financial landscape. While investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, developing blockchain solutions or venturing into the crypto market with innovative projects can result in substantial wealth. This dynamic space offers opportunities for both innovation and investment. 9. Personal branding. Your personal brand can be a valuable asset. Cultivating expertise in a specific field, establishing credibility, and leveraging your brand to offer consulting, coaching, or speaking services can open doors to lucrative opportunities. A robust personal brand sets you apart in a competitive market and can serve as a catalyst for financial success. 10. Education and online courses. Online learning is on the rise, with a growing demand for quality educational content. Creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or instructional materials on platforms like Udemy or Teachable can generate passive income and establish you as an industry expert. Sharing your knowledge and expertise can be a fulfilling and financially rewarding endeavor. 11. Space exploration and commercialization. With advancements in space technology, commercial opportunities in space exploration are emerging. Companies are exploring space tourism, asteroid mining, satellite deployment, and more. While the barriers to entry are high, pioneering ventures in this field could yield astronomical returns in the future. 12. Alternative energy solutions. The transition to cleaner and more sustainable energy sources presents significant opportunities. Investing in solar, wind, or other renewable energy projects can be lucrative, especially with government incentives and growing consumer interest in eco-friendly alternatives. Becoming rich is a journey that requires vision, innovation, and the determination to seize opportunities. While there are no guarantees in the world of wealth creation, these 12 innovative ideas offer substantial potential for financial success. Success often depends on effective execution, market conditions, and adaptability to changing circumstances. Approach these opportunities with diligence, perseverance, and a commitment to your goals, understanding that while there are risks, there are also immense opportunities for those willing to embrace them. With the right approach, these innovative ideas can significantly enhance your prospects of realizing your financial aspirations. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.